Hey, this is Kobe, aka Unique, and welcome to A Unique Beauty World. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and press that bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. So if you want to see me achieve this look from beginning to end, and it starts off a tad rough, let me just say, then keep tuning in and let's get to the video. Falling for you. Hey everybody, today we will be doing makeup. I have already cleaned my face. I just recently did my turmeric mask, so my face is very clean and moisturized very nicely, which is great to do before you put on makeup. I start with my e.l.f. setting spray. I'm watching Moesha, so you'll see me keep looking up randomly, but that's just kind of why. So I start off with spraying my mist spray, and then I allow it to dry on my face so that my face is not moist before I put my makeup on. Next, I will be going with my foundation. I like to use a liquid foundation, my Fit Me foundation. It's number 360. I like that one. It matches my face very well. I've actually been using Fit Me for a long time, and just recently was able to find one that matched my face really good and blended very well. I used one before and it was very, very light, but I can say that Fit Me really does blend, have shades that blend in your face very well. I'm using a sponge thing. Again, I'm not a professional. I went to cosmetology school when I got out of high school years ago, but I was dumb and didn't finish. So this is just me right now, and I've just been kind of doing my own makeup for a while. So if I use the wrong brush or you see me doing something that's just like, what is she doing? Just don't mind me. This is all brand new. I've never really shown anybody my makeup tricks. So I'm just gonna put the foundation all over my face. I just kind of drop a little onto my hand and then sponge it off my hand with the sponge. And so I got this makeup stick a while ago, and it's actually way too light for my face, so I figured I could use it as a concealer. It's Fit Me, I think it's number 220, and it's just really, really light. It's way lighter, so I can just use it for a concealer on my face. I use my little brush here. It's so old now, but I still use it, and I frame out my eyebrows. This is something that I prefer to do with concealer, but when I don't have it, it kind of works just as fine. I like to always have a backup when it comes to things because I've learned that I can run out of makeup quite fast. So I just kind of frame out my eyebrows by going around them and shaping them the way that I want them shaped. And again, you would do this with concealer. This is a foundation that I'm using right now as a concealer, so again, I'm just really cheating, but it works just the same way, and it gives me just the same effect that I would get with a concealer. So it's pretty cool. So this is my little eyebrow brush thing, and I like it. Hey, again, I'm not professional, but I'm pretty sure this is what its use is. But I just kind of comb out my eyebrows and shape them to my the way I shape them with the concealer. Then I do my other eyebrow exactly the same way that I did the last one. Just shaping it out the way that I want it to be with the concealer. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do that. Sorry, you guys. I'm like having a moment. I'm watching this movie and it was super crazy. Back to it. So now I'm taking my Fit Me setting powder, and it's kind of out, so I have to pat it a couple times. And this is where I was talking about earlier with my curved sponge, and it can go right under my eyes like a concealer would. I use it in place of my concealer under my eyes just so that it's not too cakey when it comes to having the makeup on as well. So I just put that under my eyes there, and I let it sit there and do some baking, you know, on the root of my nose. I also put it on the bottom of my chin there so that it gives me more of a contour look. So, you know, on my chin there and my cheekbones, or not my cheekbones, but my chin bones. You guys know what I'm talking about. Y'all saw me. And then I take my brown eyeshadow as well. That's my little brush. It's old, but it works. It does it. So don't even laugh at me. So I take my browns, the browns you see there, those three, and I mix them all together and kind of just rub it over to do the contouring on my cheekbones there. And that gives me a very, very good, you know, look. It, you know, gives me that Kim Kardashian, you know. And my brushes are wet. Thank you, daughter. She washed all my brushes earlier, so they're wet, but they still work as they should, so I'm happy with that. And I just give myself a little brown contour there going up. You see, I'm narrowing my brush up so that it gives me that up, going up, not down, go up. So after I do my contour there, I let it sit for a minute, and I will be right back to show you guys my eyeshadow. We're gonna keep baking. So this eyeshadow is my favorite one. It's the one I always use when I'm just trying to be regular, have a regular day. It's by Shea Moisture. The color is Lily. It's so much, that light was so bright. I had to darken it up a little bit. So here we go. So I take my brush and I just put a little over my eyes, on my eyelids, just kind of everywhere. Again, this is a normal look. It doesn't show, you know, too much. So I blend it a little more on both sides and make sure it's blended pretty well into my skin. And then I will go for a darker color, that brown there that goes on the outsides of my eyes. That eyeshadow is from my Wet n Wild palette, matte palette. So I just put that on my eyes and sorry, I had another moment. I put that on my eyes and put it down kind of on the bottom of my eyes there, so it gives it just some you know, not dignifying but definition in my eyes. And I will blend that in, and then I'll take a lighter color and put that on the top of my eyebrow there, the arch area, so that it just gives it a lighter little look. I then take the same brown color and put it on the other side of my eye and do the same thing and make sure it blends in very well. Now that I have baked my face for a little while, I have this little thing I found at the store. I'm not sure what it's used for, if I use it right or not, but I use it to blend everything into my face. I use my bronzer with my blush brush, and I just put a little bit under my eyes, right above my cheekbones. I think I did a little too much on that side, and then I do it again on the other side. Then I will take my blush palette. I have no idea who that's from. I've had this one for a very long time, and I just use the same blush brush and put some of it onto my cheekbones, going into a up direction. So now that I've gotten that done, I'm gonna go into the next part of my eyelashes, and this is a bomb. You guys are horrible. Makes me look cross-eyed. Oh my god. I'm not cross-eyed, you guys, I swear, but this eyelash right here is like fucking up. I have no idea how to put these lashes on, you guys. Lash version, people. Boy, if somebody...
You guys know an easier way to put these lashes on my eye? Please tell me. Is that right? I wonder if that's right. I have this little tool. I'm not sure if I used the thing right or not, but, okay. I had to move my position closer to the wall for the charger. And now I've put on the lashes. I've come back and I have black eyeshadow on, you guys. I put the eyelashes on wrong and there's like eye glue all over. So I said, well, you can't have eye glue on your face. So I decided to put the black on my face. My eyes.
Guys, again, I am like not a professional.
Not a professional.
And I went to cosmetology school right out of high school, but I was so stupid then. I didn't understand how important it actually was, so I didn't finish, which sucks now in my life when it's like, hey, how do you do this? So I have taught myself everything I know personally, and honestly, I teach myself something new every day. I can honestly say that I've never, ever, ever put on black eyeshadow around my eyes like this because it makes me feel like somebody has punched me in my eye. You know, it makes me feel like I look like I have a doggone black eye. You guys see me? I look crazy as shit. But we're gonna keep going. So, you guys have seen me do this. And please, like, tell me where I went wrong because these eyelashes are just not on right. And now my eyes look like two big, huge things. You guys, so.
Let's just go with one. And we're gonna put it over here. And I have not figured out how you guys do this yet. Like every day. It is crazy. They're either too big or they're too far down on my eyes, or I'm just doing it like entirely wrong, you guys. So please comment below and tell me if I'm doing this like absolutely wrong, because I could be. And if you guys know somebody that does this better, then please let us to know. So now I'm gonna stop, put on my lipstick, get dressed, and then I'll be back.
Okay, I am dressed. So I kind of feel like this eyeshadow should definitely blend out a little more because it seems like it's just like so focused on a piece of my eye. Blend, blend, blend. We're blending, blending. Alright, so that seems better than that side. So let's do that over here.
All right. That one. This one's from L'Oreal, 982. It's pretty cute. Sienna Supreme. It's pretty cute. Ooh.
Damn, you guys. It just broke. Wow, that's pretty upsetting. Thankfully, I know a trick. So, lipstick just broke, you guys. I'm gonna show you a trick real quick.
I can show you guys my A Unique Beauty Body Butter. This is just my own personal little size because I only need a little bit. But this is it. Can you guys see it? This light right here is just like cozy. But body butter, it's just a little thing. It's not scented. This one is just regular. And it's a nude color, which I really like. I am just big on nude. Nudity. So, I love that it just blends right in with my lips. My husband made a good choice with this one. And then I put my Cinderella lip gloss on, which is Kobe Kisses is wholesale. I wholesale this as well with Kobe Kisses, which is my lip gloss line. And well, my lip gloss business line. So if you're looking to start a lip gloss business, Kobe Kisses is where you go. Etsy, Kobe's Kisses. But Unique Beauty Store also has this tubed, which is Cinderella. It's so pretty. I mean, I don't know about you, but I just layer lip gloss, like layer. Constant. There's that Cinderella again. Now it's all brown, you guys. But it's cool because I always wear this color, so I don't mind. There it is on top of the lipstick. Super cute. And now I am dressed. Yay! So if you guys like this video, please make sure that you subscribe below. Press that bell on the side to get notified every time I post a video. I'm trying to get faster here. I'm starting to get my life in some kind of organization. So the weekends are my video days. So a day like tonight when my kids are asleep, it's like 2:30 in the morning. I'm gonna be up making videos for you guys to let you know. My next video is going to be about Etsy because I have been promising you guys this Etsy video for a while. So my next video will be about Etsy. As a matter of fact, I might make it tonight. So this look might be my Etsy video look. So if you guys see this look on my Etsy video, then that's why. So there we go. So that's it, and I hope you had a great time. I just want to show you an evening regular kind of look for me. Again, I've never used the black before, but I kind of like it. You know, the eyelashes, my bougie eyelashes, which are gonna be at Unique Beauty Store. You can follow us on Instagram. I'll be getting those lashes soon. Again, if you guys have any tips to make this whole shabacle of things that you just saw easier on my life, please comment that below. If you know somebody that's hot on that makeup status, please let me know because I'm a YouTube hoarder. So with that being said, thank you so much for coming and viewing my video at Unique Beauty World, and follow me on Instagram like I always say. Have a great night, stay safe, stay sanitized. Bye.